Hi, my name is Justin. I'm with ExcelGainz. Today's tutorial will show you how to use the large function and the Xlookup function. So just say this is Santa's workshop, and he's tracking how much Etch-a-Sketch each of his elves make throughout the year. And he has a little contest together. He wants to determine who was in third place. So first, for the third highest production, you can use the large function, which is equals large. Select your array, which is bolded right here. Then hit comma, and then you see the K is now selected as bold. That is the place you want to return. So I'm going to type 3. Close parens, 47. 47 is the third highest production of Etch-a-Sketch. So just say you wanted to return the name of the elf that's in third place in Santa's contest. I'm going to use the Xlookup formula. The lookup value is going to be the third largest in the Etch-a-Sketch production, comma, lookup array is now bolded. We're looking up in column C, comma, the return array, we're returning the name of the elf that was the third highest production of Etch-a-Sketch, aka the elf that's in third place in the contest. Enter. As you'll see, Snowflake got third place. That's how you use the large function and the Xlookup function. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.